Hello friends, in this video I will show how to upgrade Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro without losing data. So very simple and easy way. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here guys you have to click on Activation. Now here click on Upgrade. Now here click on Upgrade your edition of Windows. Now here click on Change Upgrade to Windows 11 Pro for features that help you connect to work and school network, remotely access one PC from another, encrypt your data and more. So click on Change. Now just enter your product key. Your product key should be in an email from whoever sold or distributed Windows to you, or on the box the Windows DVD or USB came in. So just guys you have to install product key, then click on next, and don't turn off your Windows and make the charge fully. So it will take a couple of hours to complete this process. So this is the way guys to upgrade your Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. Just activation, and then here you need to change product key. Just enter product key, then click on next. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.